Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can orient your 3D model in Chitubox. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your project, and from here to orient it, just select the prepare option. You want to click on the select model and then click on the model that you want to orient. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And at the side of our screen, it's going to be prompted up with the ability to select the scaling, the model, and the rotation. You can also use this controls right here in order to do so. So if I want to move my objects upward, I'm going to click on this green button. Of course, it's going to move everything that's combined within it. Or you could also click on this property. So for example, if I want to decrease the sizing, I could just click on the drag on model to scale. And from here, I have the ability to drag on the model itself, or I could just edit the values right here. So basically, that's how you orient your objects in Chitubox. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.